and I just wanted to let you guys know that I attended the tier level in training, and it was fantastic. I recommend it to anybody new or old in the industry because you can learn so much from it.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about what you took away from the tier level business development workshop?
Yes, I took away a lot of like how to ask questions and get people to respond and get that conversation going. That was really important to me starting off in the industry. So that'll help with my education and theirs as well. And then a lot of the ERP stuff, that was some very educational stuff. I'm a big fan of the ERP, so learning how to promote that was very helpful.
How do you feel that this training, both leadership and sales development training, is different from any of the other trainings you've attended?
It was very open. We were able to conversate and kind of learn from the other people that were here. And so I felt like that was important because, I think we each have something that we can learn from each other. So it wasn't just you guys were like preaching at us. It was more we were kind of involved in being able to kind of throw around ideas and learn new things from each other.
Do you feel it was beneficial that the people that were presenting have actually walked in your shoes and done the work versus somebody that has never done it? Do you feel they brought more value to the table?
Yes, I just think it's more believable. You kind of understand the concerns we have and the questions we have. I think that's very important. I actually think that was a very important part of it. Like I said, you weren't preaching at us. You were standing in our shoes and you were explaining the best way to do it the way you had done it. So.
And do you feel like the things that were presented that you can actually go out and implement those things?
I do. I feel like I'm going to. There's several things that I learned. It boosted my confidence a whole lot. So I feel like that was a big help.